Introducing the Stanley FatMax Power Claw, a first-of-its-kind clamping power strip that allows you to clamp your power where you need it, when you need it. The Power Claw grabs onto just about anything, and with 3 grounded outlets, it lets you tap into power safely and securely. The Power Claw is designed to supply power in unconventional places and keeps you from having to deal with loose wires, and we all know how dangerous that can be. It comes with a 3-foot heavy-duty cord and features a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overloads. Don't deal with loose, flimsy wires ever again, because now you can have the Power Claw. The Stanley FatMax Power Claw. Clamp your power.